Here's a book that stands out in my collection. Originally printed in 1968. This is the 1978 version, 8 printing. Very vintage looking. It covers ground cover, planning your space, lawns, that's trees, shrubbery. Here's the shrubbery. Vines, roses. My mother was a rose grower. A picture of one of her rose arbors. Garden flowers, special gardens, houseplants, growing your own vegetables, and so on. Pruning, the way I was taught how to prune, we pruned our peach trees. You would prune the middle of them so a bird could fly through and land near the trunk in the middle. So there was enough room and airspace for the birds to fly through it. That way they could get the bugs. And also the sunlight can come down and get those middle branches from the trunk. That's how I was taught. They may have some exciting new ways to do it or exciting old ways to do it. That would be fun to read about pruning. Soil and fertilizer. Once again, what we use for a vegetable garden, someone who had hundreds of sheep come in and we'd pay for 4-year-old sheep dung, which is dirt by that time, but very rich. And we had gardens of blue corn and all kinds of vegetables and sunflowers. Talks about weeds and pests. You know, it's funny, sometimes those weeds are kind of pretty, but if you don't want them in your garden. And then lastly, construction. Okay. So happy gardening.